Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvataha Panipadam Tat Sarvatokshi Siromukham Sarvataha श्रुतिमत्लोके सर्वं आवृत्य तिष्ठति ॐ Realize that as a pure soul you are an embodiment of Jnanam. You too have so many divine attributes like Sriman Narayana. But because of karma, you ended up being in this body. All your effulgence is masked with the body. Discover yourself. Keep constantly thinking about yourself and get self-realization and realize that you are belonging of Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I am an embodiment of Jnanam as a pure soul. Because of Karma Bandham, I ended up in this body. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly strive to get realized by myself and realize that I am belonging of you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 240th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Hey Bhagavan, Guruhu Arka Labdha Upanishatu Suchakshusha. One has to reach out Acharya. Acharya is like a son. And the jnanam, the wisdom that Acharya gives is from Upanishads. That jnanam is like light. So, Acharya like sun comes out jnanam, that is light. Those who does get that kind of light, only they will be able to realize you as Paramatma. Only taranti iva bhavam buddhim, only they will be able to cross the ocean of this samsara. Hey Bhagavan, sometimes people look at thread, rope and think that it is snake. And the moment they realize that it is only rope, the fear is gone. Just like that, those who cannot see you everywhere, they are tied up by so many karmas. The moment they are able to see you everywhere and feel you everywhere, all kind of bondages are gone, released. Hey Bhagavan, you are everywhere. Internally, externally, you are pervaded. But there are people, they will be searching for you here and there. It is a stupidity because they are unable to understand your all-pervasiveness. And great people, they will be trying to enjoy your darshanam within their own heart. Hey Bhagavan, nee charana prasada kanalabdhinga kalekunna. Those who does not get the small particles of dust from your divine feet, they will never be able to ni maha mahiman vuhim pangan evarikin. They will never be able to even imagine your glory. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 13th sloka. Sarvatah panipadam tat sarvato kshishiro mukham sarvatah shrutimalloke sarvamavrutya tishtati. Sarvatah panipadam tat sarvato kshishiro mukham sarvatah shrutimalloke sarvamavrutya tishtati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.